Simple interest. Now I will discuss some very important questions related Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sainik School and other competitive exam. Now question number 4. Simple interest on rupees 650 for 6 months is 32.50 paise. The percentage rate of the interest per annum is. The question is simple interest for rupees 600 means principal is given. Then P is equal to 650 rupees. Principal is given. Here is telling that simple interest on rupees 650 means principal is given. Time is equal to 6 months and interest also given 32.50 rupees. We have to find the rate. Here is 6 month means half year. I can write here 1 by 2, otherwise 0.5. It means in the month of 6, place of 6 month, I can write 1 by 2 or 0.05 years. Now, rate formula we know very well. Rate is equal to 100 into interest divided by principal into time, and 100 and here is interest 32 rupees 50 paise divided by principal is given 650 rupees and rate is 1 by 2. You can write also, you can write 0.5, then I am writing 0.5. Now I have to remove decimal. This decimal I will remove, then I have to multiply by 10 and this 400 because 1 digits before decimal, so that I multiply here by 10 and this is 2 digits before decimal, so I just multiply by 100. This 100 cancel and 10 to 10 cancel. Now 5 6 are 30 and 5 5 are 25. This 0 come here. Then 65 10 are 650. So rate is 10%. Then according to option number B is correct. Question number 5. What is simple interest on rupees 1800 for 10 years at the rate of 10% per annum? Means simple interest is given on 1800 10 year, the rate of 10%. Then principal, P means principal is given 1800 and time is given 10 years and rate is given 10%. Then interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. Then P is 1800, time is 10 year and rate is 10% divided by 100. 20 cancel and 18 multiplied 10 becomes 1800. So its interest, principal is given 1800, time is given 10 year and rate is also given 10%. Then interest will become 1800. Then according to question, option number 5, sorry, B is correct, 1800. Now question number 6. In how many years will be 7500 double at the rate of 8% simple interest? It means in how many years will be 7500 double? Suppose that here is, if I will take what? Principal is given 7500. It's become double. It means amount become double. Then 7500 multiplied by 2 becomes 0 0, 5 to the 10, 7 to the 14 and 115. And rate is also given 8%. And we know very well that interest is equal to amount minus principal. If you get any kind of problem, from this question, you can see my previous video from starting what is profit and loss and what is simple interest, what is principal, what is rate, all things you will get in my previous video. So don't forget to watch. Now interest formula, we know that amount minus principal, it's become interest. Then 15 here is A means amount, P means principal, R means rate. Here is 1500 minus 7500. Sorry, 15,000 minus 7,500 becomes 7,500. 7,500 is interest. Interest we know very well, amount minus principal. And here is amount 15,000 rupees and principal is 7,500. So interest become 7,500. Now we have to find time. Then we know very well in time formula 100 into I divided by principal into rate. Then 100 interest is 7,500 divided by principal is also 7,500 and rate is 8%. This 0, it means 7,500 is divided. Now if I will divide 2, it means 4 2 ja 8 and 4 25 ja 100. Then 25 by 2, if I will divide, then I will get 1.25. It means 12.5 I will get answer. Now answer becomes 12.5 years. Then option number A is correct. One thing I want to remind you, if you get any kind of problem in this chapter in simple interest, then you can see my previous video, because over there you will get all clear things, what is principal, what is amount, what is rate, all those things you will get very easily. Thank you. Now I will meet very soon from next video.